Hello everyone. In this video, we are diving into PowerPoint's Home tab. The Home tab is the go-to place for most basic and essential tools you will need while working on your presentation. Whether you're adding slides, formatting text, or managing content, the Home tab is packed with features to help you design visually impactful slides. Now, let us break down each section and see how you can use these tools to make your presentations stand out. Let us start with the Clipboard Group. This is where you find options to cut, copy, paste, and format Painter. These might seem simple, but they are incredibly useful. Cut and copy allows you to move or duplicate selected content quickly. Paste, of course, lets you insert the copied or cut content. And Format Painter is a hidden gem. It allows you to copy formatting from one item and apply it to another, saving a lot of time when making uniform styles across the slides. Next, we have the Slides group. This section is all about managing your slides. You can use the New Slide option to add a slide with various layout options. The layout button allows you to change a slide structure, whether it is a title slide or content slide. Reset helps you return a slide to its default layout if things get messy. And the section option lets you organize your presentation by grouping slides which are helpful for larger projects. Moving on to font group. This is where this, you can control the appearance of your text. You can choose the font type and size, also make the text bold, italicized, and underlined for emphasis. There is also font color, which lets you customize text colors and text shadow, which adds a bit of depth to make your text pop. Character spacing is another option to adjust between letters, helping with readability and style. The paragraph group focuses on text alignment and structure. Here, you can add bullets or numbering to create lists, which keeps the information clear and organized. You can also add adjustment whether you want text left, center, right, or justified. Indentation and line spacing control how close or far apart lines appear, useful for dense text slides. You can also change text direction and align text to better fit design elements. Now we are onto the drawing group, which is great for adding and formatting shapes. You can add shapes like rectangles, circles, or arrows to highlight areas or create custom layouts. Shape Fill lets you add color inside the shapes, while Shape Outline adjusts the border color and thickness. Shape effects like shadows or reflection add dimension to the visual interest to the shapes, making the elements stand out. Finally, we have the editing group. This is where you can find, hmm, replace, or select specific text or objects. The find feature is perfect for locating the text across multiple slides, and replace lets you quickly change words throughout a presentation. Select helps you choose multiple objects on a slide for quick formatting changes. These options might be small, but they are powerful when you need to make quick adjustments across the slides. To wrap up, the Home tab in PowerPoint is essential for managing, formatting, and organizing your slides. It is designed to be a hub of core tools to help you bring your content to life. Thank you for joining and watching this video. I hope this guide helps you make the most of the Home tab. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more power tips, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Until that time, happy resetting.